In this video, I'm going to show you the real deal on fixing your restroom sink plumbing without losing your mind or flooding your bathroom. So if your sink's dripping, clogged, or just acting all weird, stick around because I got some solid tips that'll save you time and money. First off, always shut off the water supply before you start messing with any pipes. Trust me, you don't want to surprise yourself with a mini indoor pool. Next, grab a bucket and some towels, because water spills are guaranteed when you're disconnecting pipes. If your sink is clogged, try using a plunger first. Sometimes that simple move clears out the blockage like a charm. For tougher clogs, a drain snake or auger can get deep down and break up the gunk without chemicals. When dealing with leaks under the sink, check the washers and nuts on the connections. Tightening them usually does the trick. Don't forget to inspect the P-trap, that curved pipe under the sink. It can collect debris and cause slow drainage or leaks. If you need to replace any parts, make sure you get the right size and type of pipe or fitting. Nothing worse than trying to force something that just won't fit. Lastly, always test your fixes by turning the water back on slowly and watching for drips or leaks so you can catch issues before they get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with restroom sink plumbing is not turning off the water first, which leads to a mess that's way harder to clean up than just fixing the pipes. Another common problem is using harsh chemical drain cleaners, but they might clear clogs temporarily, but can damage your pipes over time. Also, ignoring small leaks is a huge no-no, because even a tiny drip can cause water damage and mold if left unattended. Quick fix? Always shut off water before any work, use mechanical tools like plungers or snakes instead of chemicals, and tighten or replace any loose or worn out parts as soon as you spot them. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and other home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with people in your area who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business without all the hassle.